Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Tuesday, the 14th of September 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 finished up 0.2% today to 7,437 points, led higher by energy stocks. The utilities and real estate indices also did well, while technology and industrial stocks underperformed. All the major banks did well, the miners were mixed, while the retailers were generally sold off. Telstra jumped 1.3%. Oil prices rose overnight to their highest level in 6 weeks on the back of forecast higher demand and short-term supply problems due to a hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico. That helped the local energy companies. The best performer on the bourse today was oil and gas group Beach Energy, up more than 7%, while market leader Woodside jumped 6.2%. Supporting Woodside was a comment in BHP's annual report that it had costed remediation of oil and gas assets at $5.2 billion, which, believe it or not, is not overly high. BHP's oil and gas division and Woodside are merging. Analysts are concerned that the future costs of stranded assets would weigh heavily on the new company, but BHP's estimate is lower than some forecasts. Another miner to outperform today was gold producer Chalice Mining, up 6.6% after tumbling yesterday. Brambles was the worst performer of the top 200, finishing down 9% after at one point dropping 12%. Boss Graham Chipchase said the company would have to up its capital spending to digitise and modernise the pallets company. That will hit profits in the short term. Investors weren't impressed. And a special mention for nickel explorer Metal Hawk. Its share price ended up 260% today, taking its market capitalisation to more than $30 million after it announced it had found, and I quote, because it does sound very impressive, a significant, massive sulfide mineralisation at the Commodore Nickel Prospect 20 kilometres from Kalgoorlie. Nickel is among the hottest commodities in the world at the moment. In economic news, Reserve Bank Governor Philip Lowe was speaking today and made it clear that the central bank still believes it won't need to lift the official interest rate until 2024. He said the economy would contract by at least 2% this quarter due to lockdowns, but it will recover once vaccination rates pick up and states reopen. He highlighted the plight of small and medium-sized businesses during the current restrictions. The Aussie dollar is trading at 73.3 US cents. That's pretty much unchanged over the past 24 hours. Just recapping Wall Street, the S&P 500 closed up 0.2%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average ended 0.8% higher, and the Nasdaq finished slightly lower. That's it for the afternoon market report for Tuesday, the 14th of September 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the Wednesday edition of Fear and Greed, and then for my chat to Roger Montgomery, Chief Investment Officer of Montgomery Investment Management, about all the corporate action in the market at the moment. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.